What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm going to be doing just a daily upload showing you guys what I traded today and everything like that. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how my portfolio ended up by the end of the day. Alright guys, so let's get into it. But before we get into it, I really appreciate if you guys could like the video and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot. Alright, so getting into it, we are looking at DWT. I was buying these shares in small increments, like 2, 3 shares, 5 shares, 1 share, stuff like that. And my average buy-in price was around $9.32, and I wanted to sell, but I wasn't looking at the charts, like detailed charts, because on Robinhood, as you know probably, that Robinhood doesn't have the detailed of charts, and I couldn't tell. I was thinking, and I was looking at it like, oh, DWT looks like a great deal, like it just went off the bottom right now, and it's probably going to go back up. Well, I looked at some more in-depth candlestick charts, and it turns out that I'm pretty sure that UWT is the one that's going to go up, which is the inverse of DWT. So that means DWT is going to go down, but since it's already past 5 o'clock, I noticed it past 5 o'clock, then I can't sell my shares in after hours, so I must hold them overnight and take the loss and sell them in the morning. So that's the only, like, bad part about today. I can't find UWT. Let me look it up. So UWT is showing an upturn pattern, and it's like almost at the perfect place to buy. If you drew like a trend line from here to here to here, you would find that it's right at the support and has the potential to bounce to $15 or even more. So that's about an 8% profit margin, which is really good. And I struggled today. By the way, this is my portfolio now. I struggled today to sell my DWT because I wasn't looking at the correct charts, and it was looking good on my Robinhood charts. So it was just a big commotion, and turns out UWT is going to go up, and I can't buy any UWT, I can't sell DWT. So my portfolio today is down around 0.5% and 0.1% after hours. This week still up around 7%, 7.5%. But we're still achieving our weekly goal. By the end of the week, we are hoping to get around, give me 1 second. So we still achieved our goal this week, which was to get to $231.50. So about $3 around above the goal for this week. So tomorrow, I'm hoping that UWT and DWT won't make big moves overnight. So in the morning, I can buy in a bunch of UWT and then just ride the profits 5%. That would be fantastic. Oh, crap, I messed something up. Whatever. I'll fix that later. So that's basically it for today, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.